Hello friends, so I will be doing a little DIY project on this wreath, and I believe I got this from Hobby Lobby maybe last year. I did use it already, and as you can see, it was made mostly with some lamb's ears and a couple different types of eucalyptus. So I think I just want to zhuzh it up just a little bit by using these white roses, and I believe I got these on Amazon. So I will just be clipping them individually and just tucking them into the wreath instead of using glue, because I might want to use those on another project sometime at a later date. So before I do that, I just want to give you all a brief update on what's going on. So we are presently waiting for the kitchen cabinets to arrive at any moment, and we are pretty much almost done with the kitchen reno. So we also have another project going on, and we will be replacing the gas fireplace and switching to wood burning. So we found a fireplace on Facebook Marketplace, and that is also sitting on the front porch. So you might see it when I am filming out there, or you might not. So just, to let you know, that is one of the reasons why we're keeping things really simple this year, because of all the upcoming and ongoing projects. So let's add these roses to the wreath, and I am going to bring you back and let you see what it looks like afterwards. Okay, so this is what it looks like before. Yeah, so I have this trellis here, and as you can see, it is in black, and I'm gonna have hubby spray paint it in white for me. And my plan is to put like a running floral vine on each side and create a nice little garden area over here. So I just wanted to let you see what the before looked like, and I will bring you back and let you see what the after looks like. And over here by my trellis, hubby added this wisteria, and he dug this out of the garden in the back where we have some other ones, and we're hoping that this one will come and do well. So this is what it looks like here in the beginning. Hey guys, I finally have my magnolia tree. So we went to Home Depot this morning and we picked up this beautiful southern magnolia tree, pretty decent size. And over here, guys, I have my persimmon tree. I'm so excited. So we're going to be placing it right here next to the carport. Beautiful tree. So this is the Oriental persimmon. So guys, hubby is trying to tidy up the front yard a little bit, and we have been getting so much rain over here in our area. It rained last week for like 5 or 6 days straight, and I don't know how long this is going to stay looking like this, because I am going to show you what we have been dealing with. As you can see here, this hosta is all chopped or eaten down by the deer. So yes, we do have an issue with the deer, and it is very hard to keep a nice looking front garden. But however, we are still going to try. So he took out pretty much all of the weeds, and this is what we have pretty much. So here you can see all the hostas are all eaten down. Such a shame. And this is a canna that I've added in here, as you can see back there, and that is new this year. And I've shared this one with you a couple years ago, I believe. This is, okay, it's right there. So I just want to show you what the deer has done to my sedum. This is how it was looking before, and look at it after. So I think I've pretty much given up on the flower gardens. And here on the opposite side, as I mentioned earlier, we have this fireplace that is covered in this tarp. And hopefully when we're all done with these projects for the summer, we will give the porch a nice power washing and paint touch up.